Maverick is here to do the impossible this evening. Defend under fire American sprinter Sha'carri Richardson. Not for the race where she run. Obviously, she flop and she come dead last. But I want to encourage Sha'carri to continue to talk, continue to be the brash, in your face, aggressive, confident, trash-talking Sha'carri Richardson. Don't change that one bit. Love her or hate her. That personality sells Sha'carri, and it sells the sport of athletics. Her outlandish hairstyles and even her unsophisticated accent, plus her ability to run fast, all add to the package. Anybody who said them don't want to see Sha'carri run and listen to her interviews, a lie on tell. Millions of people watch this race just to see how Sha'carri would match up with the Jamaican champions. As me said, she lose and she flop. But this thing about she's crazy and she needs help and blah, 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 nonsense. At age 21 and already running 10.7, she has the time and the capacity to go down to 10.6 and 10.5 to stay with the Jamaicans and to keep the chattings relevant. Yes, yes. So me agree with Sha'carri. This is just one race.
This is one race? I'm not done.
Sha'carri,
you know
the Maverick love you same way.
Yeah, if you want to.
Yes. Tell her, no. You can't do that on TVJ.
I'm the sixth fastest woman in this game.
You can't do that for me.
And can't nobody ever take that from me.